Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone AXON 60 Lite with amazing design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch-hole live island display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 91% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 267 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, and with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera located in centered punch hole, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 10 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.3 by 8.6 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options blue, gold, purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, mono speaker with DTS sound support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE AXON 60 Lite has been priced for 4 GB plus 256 GB. Storage variant at 2,999 Mexican peso. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE AXON 60 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.